Hi guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. This is my laundry in my kitchen. Yes, it's not looking its best. It's gone a bit crazy, a bit out of hand, so I thought it was about time I started emptying it out and organising it a bit better. I started emptying out the larder, going through all the stuff I had in there, and believe me, I came across some stuff that I hadn't seen or used for months. Now, the bottom shelf I use mainly for my tinned and jarred food. Yes, it does spill out onto the top shelf too, because I just had that many. And so I went through them and got rid of any jars or tins that I hadn't used and I probably will not use now, and put them to a side for a food bank. I'd emptied all the larder out and just gave it a wipe over, and that's all the stuff that's come out of it. Crazy, absolutely crazy. I am now going through each and every item that's come out of that larder, and I'm putting into separate piles. One that's going to go to the food bank, one that is not edible, I suppose, anymore, and it will go into the bin, and stuff that's going to go back into the larder that I'm going to use at a later date. Wish me luck, guys. Yes, that took a while, but I managed to get myself a little organised, things back into the boxes. I cleaned out the boxes that I was previously using. These are the stackable shelves that I bought from Pound Stretchers, and they were $1.49. I'm going to try and incorporate them somehow in trying to organise my tins, I suppose. That's the only thing I can possibly think of. But yeah, so they're clean and ready to go. I'm just wiping down all the tins before I put them back in the jars, before I place them back into the cupboard. Right, you're probably thinking it doesn't look very much different to what we started off with, but believe me, it definitely was. It was much better organised. I had everything, you know, its own little section. I've got all my pastas and things there in that little tin. My boxes contain my rice, packet rice and things like that, and my chutneys. And there are my tins and my pound structure shelves. I was super happy with that. Just let me know what you think, guys. If there is any other way I can sort it or organise it a bit better. This was the second area I needed to target. Are you ready for this, guys? Are you ready? Yes, oh my god, don't you all be judging. I'm sure we've all got one of those drawers in our kitchen where everything just piles up, but believe me, I needed to get it done, and I have done it several times before, but yeah, it's just gone a bit crazy this time. So let's get started. Right, I'm just emptying out this bad boy. It had so much stuff in it. It was unbelievable. I didn't realise one drawer could carry so much. It had toys, it had bubbles, now I know where they've all gone, lip glosses, water bombs, you name it, this had it. I managed to get everything out and everything sorted, chucked away what I didn't need, and put all the stuff that needed to go into other rooms of the house into a little basket. And I just came across this little M&S shampoo. It was so cute. I might hold on to that one myself. Okay, once it was empty, I just went ahead and got some cleaning spray, my Astonish, and sprayed it down and cleaned it out, ready to load up again. Right, just the last minute bits of rubbish that was in the drawer, emptied out medication and things like that, things that didn't really need to be here, and I overlooked while emptying out the drawer in the first place. So, and I have a little stationery tray there because kids are always coming looking for a pencil or a pen or a rubber, so I like to have a few little bits in this drawer so it's easy to get to. I've got a couple of these nuts and screw little boxes. I picked them up from Poundland a while ago, and they've just got little partitions, and I use one for batteries and things like that, and I use another for wires and things that are lying around the house or just duplicates really. You ready for this, guys? Oh, it is looking on point. I'm so happy with it. These are my wires, my batteries. I've got a bit of candles and things like that in there, an Allen key, my stationery little pot there. everyone needs one of those. My medication, my kids are much older now, so they're quite sensible, and if I don't keep it at hand, I would forget to take it. But anyway, guys, that was my kitchen, 2 cupboards and a gazillion more to go. If you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, and do all those lovely things, and I'm going to see you so soon.